All right, guys, I just got done offloading a little present here. I got myself a little mower. It's like a 44-inch deck mower, and just got done offloading it off the truck, and had to get a neighbor to come out here and help me, but just rolled back this cover right here and it was able to fit there just fine. But this is the mower we're looking at, and it's a Briggs and Stratton 44-inch deck, 10 horsepower finish mower, fast finish 44-inch. You can see it says that down there. So I'm going to open it up. It comes in a crate like this here. It was just sitting on a couple of pallets. We got it off the truck, just 3 people, and it wasn't that bad. It's about 240 pounds, 250 pounds, right about there. So it's challenging for, it's not, it wasn't the worst thing we've ever offloaded off the truck, but definitely easier if you had a forklift or something like that. But we were able to get it off the truck, 3 normal guys, and get it onto the ground. We also had a couple of motorcycle jacks, or I'm sorry, ramps that we put on the bed of the truck, and we just kind of almost slid it down the ramps. So that's also another way of cheating. But even if you didn't have that, I think you can still get it down without that. Anyways, we're gonna open it up, see what's in there, and get it all set up. Probably not all today, but I'm gonna at least try to get it out of the crate so I can wheel it away. And these are all the tools that I needed. This here is a little bit better than the chisel. So I had this tiny chisel here that I was trying to use it with, and that wasn't working out so great. But this here is actually a pitchfork from a mechanic tool set. I believe that's what this is. And then just a regular hammer right here, and then some cutters of some sort just for the zip ties. And that's all the equipment. All right, so in the bag here is just some instructions to understand before using the product. Sure, whatever. And that's that. And then also a little bit of hardware in here. Not sure what it all goes to, and I think they've got a CD in here. That's a CD. So I'm gonna pop that in a computer. Well, no, I'm not. I don't know how to. I don't have any computers that take CDs. But anyways, I guess you can also go to the website right there and watch the same material. So I'm gonna do that before I actually try to use it. But right now I need to figure out how to get it where it's gonna sit for a while, and then this looks like some kind of safety system of some sort right there. I'll figure out where that goes, and put this all back in the bag here, and and try to figure out how to get this moved. All right, so I think this here actually mounts that drawbar to the actual mower, so I'm going to put this in. There's a couple of different holes. Let me bring you guys in. There's a couple of different holes on this. So if I take it all the way out, that's 2 holes. I'm going to slide it in to the one that makes it the shortest. Just like that. Just like that. And I'm going to put this in. Alright, and this just clips down at the bottom. Alright, like so. Okay. I don't know if I should have it at the top or not, but we'll just leave it like that for right now. And then I think I should be able to just pick this up and move it around. Okay. All right, so that totally works. I've got the drawbar on, and what I like about this is that it can go into multiple positions right here. So if you wanted to hook it up there, so you can have it at an angle, especially if you're drawing it with an ATV or UTV, which I'm going to be drawing it with my Can-Am. So now we should be able to just move it into place, and it's pretty light to just drag it around. So I thought I was going to need the ATV to move it, but I don't think I will. So I'll just kind of pull it by hand and get it through my gate. Just got to keep it flat, otherwise it drags on the back. Like I think this here is touching the ground. Let me see if I can secure it. I can hold that up like that, then I should be able to drag it. Well, no, it still touches the ground, but just pull it. All right, so I'm going to move it, of course, to its final resting place, but here's what it looks like outside of the box. So I'm going to need some kind of coupler. It doesn't come with a coupler, so I'm going to need some kind of coupler that goes right there to hook that up to the ATV. And then this is the arm that allows you to attach it sideways, so it's kind of like at an angle. I'll have to show you what that looks like when I have it attached in another video. Looks like your oil goes there. And what do we have? Some lock and unlock. Your fuel E85 goes right there. And that's about it that I know about it right now. It doesn't have a keyed ignition, so you know it's a pull start right here. So Look forward to doing that. There's an on and off switch down there. And I'm assuming there's got to be a choke somewhere on here. Yep, there it is. So that's your choke. And okay, that's about it. So it just comes with a tubeless tire, 15 by 6. It looks like, not for highway use or service. And it's a high run model type tire. I'm thinking these on the side here kind of deflect it if you hit a wall or some kind of fence or something like that. That just kind of helps deflect it. And then 44-inch deck. That's how big it is end to end. And is your Briggs and Stratton motor right here, 10 horsepower. All right. And it's a rear discharge. It also mulches, by the way. But this is where it kicks out the grass out of the back here. Made in Missouri, just like my F350. That's cool. All right. So I've never used a device like this before, so this is going to be the first time that I actually, try to mow with something like that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll videotape whatever I find interesting or whatever I think you would find interesting if there's any lessons to be learned. But I got to put gas in it. Well, I got to read the manual first, see if I got to mix up any gas with oil or whatever else not, and figure that part of it out. But as soon as I do that, I'll get it all hooked up and get to mowing. Okay, guys, so that's the mower right there. Never used anything like that before, so I'm going to be learning. I'll try to tape or record whatever I find interesting as I'm going along this, but I think it's going to be kind of cool. It's a lot of acreage out here and I need to mow it, and I figured this is going to be the best way to try to do that. So we'll see how successful I am with it. I just bought it without reviews or anything like that, so I'm hoping that this is the review for somebody else who's thinking about getting something. So we'll see how it plays out, and I look forward to actually using it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. But